So let's continue. Today onwards, I will give more love and dash to others. What is it? Not consideration. It is wrong. It's not consideration. It is consideration. Consideration means when somebody do something wrong also, you won't take it very serious. You just let it go. And also not only that, we will consider people means you will give more time for people. Consideration. How do you spell consideration? C-O-N. Consid. S-I-D. Consideration. S-I-D. Consideration. C-O-N-S-I-D-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Consideration. You must learn the spelling, okay? Okay. Now, answer these questions. Now, you're going to do the question answers. Let us move on to question answers. What's the first question? Can you read out? Who?
Who has filled our hearts with love?
My famous. Yes, God has filled our hearts with love. Who has filled our hearts with love? God has filled our hearts with love. Second question, why did God fill our hearts with love?
God has
Fill our hearts with love to be merciful, love one another and help. Yes, so please listen once again. God has filled our hearts with love to be merciful, love one another and help in time of need. So that is why God has filled our hearts with love to love one another, to be merciful to others and to be kind to others. Now the third question, why did Meera's mother tell her not to waste food? Anybody? Meera's mother told Meera not to waste food because there are many people who does not even have one meal or one morsel of food. So wasting food is a very not only bad habit, it's a sin. It is a sin. You should not waste food because food has got any value for food? Yes. You have to give money, isn't it? You have to give money. Without giving money, you won't get anything to buy. So you have to be what? You have to be careful with your food. Only what is needed you should take. Only what you want. You should not take your eyes full. Somebody sees food, sometimes they take plate full of food and does not. 1 minute. So wasting food is a sin. You should not waste food. Many people are working behind it. When it comes to our hand, we are not knowing anything. Everything in packets, and after that we go to the mall or to the shopping center, whatever it is, you go buy the food and come back. Mummy has cooked everything and whatever you want you eat, when a lot of food has been wasted. Is it a good practice? No. So you should not waste food. So what did Meera's mother tell? Meera's mother told her not to waste food because there are many people who do not have food, do not have anything to eat. Okay. So did you revise this sixth lesson?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you all questions and I'm going to make you all write. So those are sitting at home, please learn. I'll revise one more lesson, that is the 7th lesson. Okay. What is the 7th lesson's heading? Dear to all. Dear to all. What do you mean dear to all? Dear to all. Loved by everybody. Oh, liked by everyone. Dear to all means everyone like you. Shouldn't be like that?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Yes, you should. liked by everyone. How people will like you? Tell me. Can you tell me? Just come and sit down here. Look at everybody. So everyone will like you? No. Then what you have to have in you? You have love, I don't think. You have to have a good character. You have to have good quality in you. Like helping mentality, be kind to people, love people, help people. All these qualities if you have. And way of talking. Some people are very rude. They don't know how to talk. Then they don't know how to behave with people. So when you do all that, people may not like you. You must be kind to everyone, be good to people, have the helping mentality, and also what you should have. Yes, you must be. What is it? Can you tell me? You must have, yes, love, and you have to have a lot of manners. All this is necessary for a good person. Alright. Now, fill in the blanks. Maggie and Pinky are dash.
My neighbors.
It's not neighbors. Is it neighbors? It's not neighbors. Neighbors. What do you say? Neighbors. Yes. Now, let me clean this. So I want you to learn these spellings which I am wiping now. Consideration, delicious, all that. So Pinky and Maggie are? Pinky and Maggie are? Neighbors. How do you spell neighbors? Yes, S. Neighbors. What do you mean by adding S here?
It is plural form.
Plural form, exactly. Neighbor means only one person, one family staying near to you. Neighbors, they both the families are there, isn't it? Both the houses are neighbors. Maggie and Pinky are neighbors. Spell the word neighbors. Neighbors. Neidhbous. Neighbors. One day Maggie dashed with the mother. One day Maggie fought. Do you fight with your mother? Do you fight? No, you must not fight with your mother. Spell the word fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. Fought. This is the past tense of fight. Fight means now what you do is fight. Fought already. Yes, past tense. Maggie saw a cute dash in her sleeve. Angel. How do you spell angel? A-N-G-E-L-S. Angel. A-N-G-E-L-S. Angel. Okay. Maggie got up from sleep with a new dash and dash. Joy. She got up from the sleep with a great joy. How do you spell joy? What is the meaning of joy? What is the meaning of happiness? Yes. And what is determination? What is determination? Strong, yes, feeling of doing something. Strong will of doing something. How do you spell the word determination? Don't scream. D-E-T-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Determination. What is it? Determination. Yes. Just learn that spelling once more. Read that spelling once again. D-E-T-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Determination. Okay. Now, answer these questions. What kind of a girl is Pinky? Pinky was a... Okay, 1 minute. Pinky was an obedient. Pinky was obedient. Okay, an obedient. Pinky was obedient, well-mannered, God-fearing, and a loving girl. So everyone liked her very much. See, well-mannered. Little before I told you, you have to have good manners. You have to be loving. You have to be kind. So all these qualities, who had all these qualities? Pinky had. Okay. So now do the rest of the question answers, read through and be prepared for the examination. Last examination is oral science. So see you in the next class.